Hello, so today we are going to solve this problem at binary. So the problem is like we have two binary strings A and B, and we have to return sum of binary return their sum as a binary string. Okay, so examples are like 1 1. So it's going to be 3 and 1, and it this would be 1. So 3 plus 1 would be 4. So this is the binary representation. So basically, what we have to do, we have to do the integer sum after from this binary. So what we would do, we would convert this binary into integer and then make the sum and then again reverse it back to binary. Okay, similarly over here this is 10 plus 11, so this will be 21, and this is the representation for 21. So these are the few constants. Now I start the coding. So we would first convert this string into binary, this binary string into integer. Okay, so and again we have to do the sum. Okay, so this is the uh, conversion, like this thing would convert it to int base 10, and then we are doing sum of both uh, sorry sum of both the uh, numbers. Okay, now what we do, we would convert this whole thing into binary. So this function is going to convert this entire integer value into binary, and again we would convert this binary into a string. Okay, and there is one issue. Okay, so let me run up to this part first. Let me show you what would be the output of this whole thing. Okay, so see, output would be like 0b100. So 0, why it's 0b? 0b is for binary representation. Okay, so what we would do, we would slice these two things. Okay, so just do this. Okay, so this thing would be sliced out and we would be having this value. Okay, now let's run. Okay, so all the test cases has been passed. Okay, now let's submit this solution. So yeah, test cases has been accepted. So this was the one of the solution. If you have any doubt, kindly let me know in the comment section. And thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in the next video.